Before taking over the news with the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, Wuhan has weathered thousands of years of history. Discover Wuhan for its historic and cultural properties through these facts. Wuhan was established 3,500 years ago. It is the ninth most populated city in China. Wuhan is one of the nine national central cities of China. 11 million people reside in Wuhan. Wuhan officials imposed a lockdown since January 2020. Wuhan is the capital of Hubei province of China. The people of Wuhan speak southwestern Mandarin. Wuhan was officially established in 1927. 13 districts form the city of Wuhan. Until the 21st century, Wuhan earned the most from agriculture. Now Wuhan focuses on the manufacturing industry. 79.2% of the population of Wuhan do not practice religion or instead worship ancestors. Wuhan was the fifth Chinese city to have a metro system. Buddhism is the most practiced religion in Wuhan, with 14% of the population adhering to the belief. Wuhan used to be the China's capital in 1927. UNESCO designated Wuhan as a creative city in 2017. Wuhan houses 35 higher education institutes, making it an education hub for China. From the 1890s until the present, Wuhan has relied on the steel industry as the backbone of its economy. Wuhan is the most populated city in central China. At a population of 11 million people, Wuhan has the densest population in all of the central China and ranks ninth in the most populous cities of China. The Republic of China established Wuhan out of three separate towns. Long before its reputation as a center for industry, academics, and research, Wuhan used to be the three separate towns of Hanyang, Hankou, and Wuchang. Because of its location between the Han and Yangtze River, the area evolved into a center for trade and business through time. However, it was not until 1926 that Republic of China unified it as the city of Wuhan. Scholars sometimes refer to Wuhan as the Chicago of China. You could travel to almost all parts of China from Wuhan, which is why tourists have termed it the Chicago of China. Overall, Wuhan is a center for railways, trains, and docking ferries and ships. Wuhan has one of the fastest trains in the world. The Guangzhou Wuhan high-speed train can reach a speed of 394 km per hour and is one of the world's fastest trains. The Wuchang Uprising originated from Wuhan, also called the Wuhan Uprising. The revolt that ended the last imperial dynasty in China took place on October 10, 1911 in Wuchang. The uprising was orchestrated by two groups of the new army led by Sun Yat-sen. A student once attacked a principal with a shoe in Wuhan University. It seems that years after Wuchang, the spirit of uprising lives on in Wuhan. As a protest to the censorship of the internet, a student attacked Fang Bingxing with a shoe at Wuhan University in 2011. Wuhan weather can get extremely hot. Wuhan is permanently known as one of the three stoves in China for its boiling heat in the summer. Due to its geographical location and the North Asia tropic monsoon, hot air tends to get trapped in the atmosphere. Wuhan shares its stove the title with Chongqing and Nanjing. However, Wuhan experiences all four seasons. Wuhan symbol is the palm blossom. Throughout the years, the pearl blossom has represented Wuhan as the city's emblem. The reason is historic but still relevant to the present. During the Qin and Han dynasties, plums were used medicinally. Now, plums still play a role in medicine and research in Wuhan. Traditional New Year practices even involve the planting of plums. Wuhan time follows GMT plus 8. Like the rest of China, Wuhan follows the China Standard Time. Hubei cuisine is a part of China's 10 major cooking styles. Dating back to ancient Chu cuisine 20 years ago, Hubei cuisine represents one out of 10 major Chinese cooking styles. Some distinct dishes include blunt snout bream in clear soup, ham with flowering Chinese cabbage. For Wuhan in particular, citizens practice eating a medical egg dish eaten on the third day of the third month of the lunar calendar. A popular Wuhan breakfast is rig and mian, also known as hot and dry noodles. Rig and mian takes freshly boiled noodles and mixes it with the sesame paste. Wuhan citizens typically have this noodle bowl during guazhou. Wuhan serves salty donuts for snacks. Wuhan citizens usually eat mianwo or salty donut for a quick fix. This savory donut is much thinner than the usual confectionery donut.